Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside HANDZ Premium library. So first of all, what we can see here is the export mockups source file license tutorial. License is basically saying that you can't resell the library, you can't resell the PNG files, or you can't resell source files. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Then we have tutorial. In tutorial I will show you how you can change the materials, colors, how you can customize it a little bit more, and how you can play with the HANDZ Premium more, or how you can append more objects from different libraries, like for example from icons. Then we have export. In export we have 6 different colors of the HANDZ. Here is a black, blue, brown, green and white and yellow. So let's take a look inside, and here we have 6 different sleeves here, as you can see. Here is the basic one. This is how it looks like. Over here. And we have also the jumper. Here is another. This is how it looks like. Here is the color jumper. It's pretty cool because in Blender you can change the stripes, the color of stripes, so you can do different jumpers thanks to that. Then we have no sleeve. It can be pretty handy sometimes. Then we have a short sleeve, basically a short sleeve like a t-shirt. It should imitate the t-shirt here, for example. Then we have the suit. So these 6 sleeves are in the HANDZ Premium library, and we have 35 different poses of hands. And we have different like iPads, poses with iPads, poses with a mobile phone. For example, here is another one. Then we have with the Samsung Gear or with the Apple Watch. You can change the colors of sleeve, colors of hand, colors of Apple Watch. And then we have the Mac screen here or here. What is cool about that is that you can change, you can combine different hands together. So for example, this can pointing to the Mac screen and so on. Then we have different colors of the hands. So the blue one, this is how it looks like. It can be handy if you want to be diverse, but you don't have space to include all of the colors like black, brown, white, and you want to just use one color, which is blue, for example. Here is the brown one. Let's take a look at the brown and the suit. So here it is. Then we have green, like a Shrek. It can be fun to differentiate yourself from among competitors. It can be pretty funny. So let's take a look, for example, on here, that this hand, on top of this hand you can put anything you want to. So for example, gift. Here we have white. Here we have yellow. Yellow is connected to emoticons a lot, so if you want to imitate the emoticons you can use it. Here is the yellow plus iPad. Okay, let's take a look on 2 other things, which are the source files and mockups. The source files is basically the Blender file, and in Blender file it's super easy to navigate. This is how you can change the colors, and basically here on the animation, like every frame is different. See, every frame is different pose. So this is inside. Also what is inside I will show you is like the sleeves. You can play with the sleeves, I will show you in the tutorial. You have also iPad, you have mobile phone, you have different watches, and you have Mac screen. So everything is included, and as you can see, you can change easily the mockups inside, right? And also inside are mockups. So all of these, you can just place your image inside and you can overwrite this file, or you can put it again to the Blender file, but I will show you everything how you can change it in the tutorial. So this is it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you like what we created here. Thank you so much for your attention. If you want to see more about HANDZ Premium library, take a look at hands.design. If you want to see more of our libraries and more cool stuff, even more advanced, take a look at 3d.design. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Have a great day and stay creative. Bye.